Hello everyone. Here you can see I had completed my 7th live painting, and here you can see all the details of this beautiful landscape. And once again I want to show you the view of my painting, and this is the view, a very beautiful corner landscape of the street. So I like it very much, and so I had created here, and you can see the detailing of this painting, and I hope you like it very much. So like, comment, share and subscribe, because it takes lots of time, efforts and a very beautiful moments in the life to make it. So kindly subscribe, share the video, and I hope those who are fine art students, they get motivated through this painting. Thank you. Have a nice day.